I welcome you all at our YouTube channel, Adhyan. Dear aspirants and students and all followers who want to study well and they have a desire to get a very authentic exam relevant, exam oriented and tricky questions, conceptual based questions, conceptual studies. I welcome all and I welcome the newcomers and new viewers on our YouTube channels. If you are watching me first on YouTube, then I request you all kindly subscribe this channel for getting more updates regarding knowledge, concept and exam authentic subject study materials. So today, dear students and candidates, aspirants, we are going to discuss before you the gravitational acceleration. This is a very important topic, and we are just aware in our physical environment. We know a physical world. In a CBSE latest pattern, this chapter is repealed because of irrelevant factors. But I think this is a relevant chapter, and in the reference of other textbooks and boards, this is useless because this chapter do not play any kind of vital roles in development of physics, as I think by others but not by me. So today we are going to discuss about the gravitational acceleration in our physical world. This is a very important factor, and you know in your practical life, daily experiences, that what is the value and the advantage and the disadvantages of the gravitational acceleration. So simply, if we are talking about g, then just we recognize in our mind and the brain that the small g is the simply the value of g is equal to 9.8 meter per second square, and the maximum value is considered 10, and the value of g is different on the locations, positions, and in term of geography we can say that longitude and the latitude. Therefore, if you are going to evaluate practically in a lab, then you have to mention where you are calculating the value of g. As for example, if I am calculating this value in Azamgarh, then we just put the value of g up to 3 digits and just mention our place Azamgarh, and for Lucknow, Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, etc. where you are located, you can just put it and calculate the value of g. There are several methods for the calculation of the value of g, as for example simple pendulum method, bar pendulum method, and etc. And you need to plot graph versus t square. As for example, t is equal to 2 pi square L by g, and then using this formula you can calculate the value of small g. And now, on the basis of the theoretical concept, we just study the variation in the value of g. As for example, if we consider g, then g is equal to, small g is equal to capital G m upon r square. This is the value of g. If we consider in the term of earth, then g is capital G m e upon r e square. This is the equation number 1. Here me will stand for mass of earth, re radius of earth, the two factors, and capital G is known as universal gravitational constant. Its value is everywhere same. So this is called universal gravitational constant. Mass of earth, radius of earth, and so you here about to come and know that small g is different on the reference mass. Reference mass means mass of planet. It is independent on the mass of the body or any, just for example me. And if we consider Earth is a sphere, actually is not it. You can calculate the mass of Earth, m is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube rho, where rho is the density of Earth, and you can just put the value of Ga is equal to capital G 4 pi r cube rho upon 3 r square. Here you can cut this, you get G is equal to 4 pi 0 re upon 3. This is the value of G. Value of G in the term of density of Earth and radius of Earth. Here pi is the constant, capital G is the constant, rho is the density of Earth, r is the radius of Earth. If we consider, then what you get here, you just get G is equal to 4 by 3 pi re 0. Here, this your value, and Ge proportional rho. If we consider the density of Earth is constant, density of planet is constant, then gravity will be directly proportional to the density. If density is increasing, then G is increasing, and so you can consider if any planet have a low density, then its value will be very low. So this is the value of in the term of density. And one more thing, variation in the value of J. Variation in the value of J. Variation in the value of G, gravitational acceleration. Here we are going to explain about the value of G and its variation. So if you are watching first on me here and on YouTube, then I request that you all that kindly subscribe this channel for getting more updates. This channel is not only for science, this is only for mathematics. It is for all. As for example, we are just here Indian polity, constitution, social sciences, science and all, because this is the dedicated channel for aspirants who have their goals fixed and they have a goal oriented study. So come on the topic. Number 1, due to shape of Earth. Second, due to altitude effect, means going upward from the Earth's surface. 3, due to depth effect, going downward from Earth's surface. 4, due to rotation. Here we just keeping 4 points: due to shape of Earth, due to altitude effect, due to depth effect, due to rotation of Earth. We will discuss here one by one. So our first objective to discuss variation in the value of G due to shape of Earth. How can we explain the shape of Earth? Actually, shape of Earth is a very core factor. Earth is not a complete sphere. Not complete sphere. It's the oval shape. it's flattened on the poles, and so it's become not a complete sphere, it's become a oval. And so there is a variation in the radius of the Earth. For example, if we consider this is the Earth, and just assume this is the North Pole, South Pole, West, East, and this is considered as a pole. North, and this is considered pole south. This is the equator. Here the center of Earth, and you just look, radius from center of Earth to pole is 6370 kilometer, and for equator 6400 kilometer. Means there is a difference of 30 kilometers. यहाँ पे 30 किलोमीटर का डिफरेंस है. Here the difference is 30 kilometers. So the value of G will be higher at the poles and lower at the equator. Therefore, when you go from center of Earth to pole, the value of G increases, so your weight will be increases. And when you go on the equator, your weight will be lower compared to equator. So, this is the first cause where we are going to explain shape of the Earth, and this is 30 kilometer difference. So, value of G will be maximum on poles and minimum on equator. This is the value. And now second option is altitude effect. Altitude effect means when we are going above the Earth's surface. When we are going above the Earth's surface, its value will be changes, alteration in the value of G. Let's see how it changes. If we are going above from the Earth's surface, value will be changes. Value will be changes. How it will change? This is the Earth center. God is putting O, P, M, and just we go the point Q, height H. This is the R, E concept for the Earth. So, if we consider at P the value is G, and at this point G has, then what is the new value? Then we can get G is equal to G ME upon R square, this one, at surface of Earth. At altitude H, the value of G become G dash, that will become G dash, then G dash equal to G ME upon RE plus H of whole second, dividing first and second, G into RE plus S of whole square GME घटा G dash equal to RE plus H RE whole square. Second, here just take the value G dash RE square 1 plus S upon I whole square I square cancel out. Then here you get the new value G by G dash 1 plus S upon RE whole square. Then G dash G upon S upon RE whole square. This is the value when we change this. And if we go above, then G dash equal to G 1 plus S upon RE of minus 2 explained by Binomial theorem 1 minus 2S upon RE. बाकी के टर्म्स टोटल जाएंगे. This is the value of G when you go above the surface of Earth. जब हम अर्थ सरफेस से ऊपर जाते हैं तो इसकी वैल्यू कितना चेंजेस आता है. तो अब यहाँ पर अगर हम मान लें कि if H equal to RE, then you see here G dash equal to G by 4. Means if you go above the Earth surface equal to its radius, value of G become G by 4, 1/4 रह जाएगी. This is the expression and the formula G by G dash 1 minus 2S upon RE, and by this process you can calculate the alteration in the value of G. Here we discuss the some percentage changes also in the upcoming videos. There is a second point. Second point, change in the value of G going below to Earth surface. When we are going below the Earth surface, then value changes. Let's see. See, this is the depth H, center O, become new radius RE minus H, and this is the RE. The body is P at M, and then it's kept at G. Value become G, here become G dash. Then here the sphere of the influence concept means that where mass is kept at the surface, यहाँ पे रखा हुआ है, तो क्या होगा कि G is equal to G me upon R is 1. When we go the depth, G dash G me RE minus S of whole square becomes second. Here you just keep the value and solve it. If you solving, here this becomes mass m, because Earth's mass is varying surface complete m. Then we go at the depth s, the sphere of influence changes, radius changes, so mass becomes gm. And here you can find m is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube rho. third, and m is equal to 4 by 3 pi re minus h of 4 cube rho 4. Putting all value, you get g is equal to 4 by 3 pi g re rho 5, and g dash equal to 4 by 3 pi g re minus h rho 6. Dividing 4, you just get g by g dash is equal to g re rho also cancel, g also cancel, re minus h, then g dash equal to re minus h upon re into g, then g dash equal to 1 minus h upon re g, then g dash equal to g 1 minus h upon re. This is the value. If you go below the surface of earth, then the value of changes, g dash equal to g 1 minus h upon re. If you have kept h equal to re, then g dash equal to g 1 minus re upon re, cancel, g dash equal to g 1 minus 1. Here we get g dash equal to 0, means the value of at the center of earth becomes 0. मतलब अगर हम अर्थ के सेंटर में पहुंच जाए, वहाँ पर स्मॉल जी की वैल्यू 0 हो जाती है, खत्म हो जाती है, और वहाँ पे बॉडी रेस्टलेस फील करेगी, ठीक है ना। तो इस तरीके से ये आपका एक्सप्रेशन है। और अगर हम इसी कॉन्सेप्ट का इस्तेमाल करके एक अर्थ के अक्रॉस सेंटर से या कहीं से भी टनल बना दें, इस टनल में किसी भी पार्टिकल को डाल दिया जाए, तो दिस विल मूव अप एंड डाउन, एंड द मोशन ऑफ particle in this imaginary tunnel will be simple harmonic motion. We will discuss later. Thanks for watching, and the remaining rotations of the earth we will discuss in next video. And till then, keep watching and keep subscribing, keep sharing. Thanks once again.